Trade Show. I'm your host, Mr. Big Braids, coming to you live from a reservation somewhere. Taking a look at BTC and the rest of the market. We got Dow Jones coming in at 33,947, 482 points back down to the downside. You know I get excited when I see those big sales. We got BTC holding that price action, 17,022. Been ups and downs, roller coasters, riders. Those of us with diamond hands, we're just used to the ups and downs. But, here we are coming in with BTC 17,022. Everybody's panicking out there. Everybody's got fear. And I love fear. I love sales. I like to I love it when they bring the price action down. More bang for your buck. And I'm definitely out here, whatever everybody sells, I'll definitely buy some of that action. So whatever I can get. Loving the accumulation across the board. And, you just got to do your own research. Make sure you're looking into what projects you're going into. Are they hanging in? Like we've been talking about over the past few months. Whatever projects are going to hang in through this market, dippy action. Because we've been talking about it since November. We've been talking about this dippy action. How low can you go scenario? Here we are in this low price section. We were already talking about it then. We were talking about how, it's definitely going to weed out all of the companies that are not going to make it, that were not strong to begin with. They're all going to be weeded out. And then those that are strong will remain. So that's been basically what's been happening. We've been seeing a lot of fallout across the board. A lot of companies holding in strong. Definitely need that good management. Definitely have to keep an eye on that. Got stocks on sale again. We got, good price action across the board, getting some awesome growth. I've been definitely loving the way the portfolio has been moving around in the crypto area. We still got sales price action across the board, accumulation across the board as well. I've been digging it. I mean, if we get some sideways action over time and we get some accumulation, wherever you read the Motley Fool, you read, Newsweek, wherever you go, there's crypto in there. There's, some magazines throw foot out there, and some magazines just freaking talk it up. So, and the majority of them, 75% of everybody that I talk to and everything that I look at, everybody's still like, it's been here this long. It's definitely it. I mean, like I've been saying, I can look at the grid right now. We're looking at the grid right now. It's definitely in the market. I mean, we've been having this same conversation for decades, and here we are. Awesome price action across the board. So I'm definitely excited to, see where it's going with that. I do love. I definitely diversify. I definitely diversify. Crypto is just more exciting than talking about stocks across the board. So, and crypto's got some volatility, and it's definitely worth talking about on the daily because it's awesome because you get to see what the price action's going on with crypto, and then it definitely helps in the stock market as well because you can definitely, if something's going on in crypto already, you can definitely expect there's going to be a little bit of sales price action in the stocks. So, a lot of tactics. Got to do whatever you got to do. Got to get creative. As Mr. Warren B always says, got to get creative during a bear market, make money where you can, and that's exactly where we're at right now. We've been in the accumulation on the stock game, we've been in accumulation on the crypto game, and at this point, everybody's just kind of 50-50 on where it's going to go. We've riding some low price action for a while. All of us been out. There's a lot of us were lurking out for this low price action, but definitely could be just wishful thinking as well. Because at this price, these prices is cheap, and once they decide to buy in, it's definitely could be seeing that higher price action. And if we're waiting for that 2024, 2025 area, waiting for the halving to happen, then oh my goodness, that's going to be some awesome accumulation across the board. And then when we hit that price action, but that's my plan, and that's what I'm going to stick to, as well as accumulating the stock game. And you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. But I definitely love a sale out here when I see prices getting pushed down. And I mean, I'm glad I didn't jump into the game when we were at those high prices and I was buying, and I definitely had some time to freaking play with the market, play around with the crypto, read the grids, know when a good sale is coming up, and it's been, definitely awesome because I'm definitely glad to be a part of this. I'm definitely glad to be able to see all this low price action and be a part of the next moving up to to the next higher price action, making some money out here. And I mean, everything's as soon as the Fed starts easing back and we see where we're at, there's still money to be made. Everybody sees a lot of tragedy. I definitely see some opportunity to make some awesome funds, whatever you want to call it, savings, mad cash, vacation money, the 10-year retirement, whatever you want to talk about. It's definitely on sale and it's definitely cheap. $100 would get you a lot. I've been loving the price action across the board, but like I always say, you always got to remember this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So, and there's plenty of stocks out there that are just doing amazing right now. I mean, we've got talk about marijuana across the board, and we've been getting some decent gains across the board. I'm definitely excited to see those price actions back up around 40, 50, $60. And that was on speculation, and now we're getting into some real life scenario where they're talking about making this, legalizing it. So I'm definitely out here ready to make some money in that market as well. So feed me your cannabis stocks. Let's get them up on the watch list, and we'll get a bigger setup for those. We'll run through some price action on that because, that's what I love. That's what I'm about, and that and fitness. So gotta take care of yourselves if we're going to be able to spend this money 10 years out. So glad to be with y'all folks, and getting into that 7-minute area. I just wanted to do a quick update, and definitely gotta keep price action. We still got that downward trend on that BTC. People have been commenting cup and handle. I've been waiting to play out. We did get that higher high set in as far as that short term, but we do actually have a little bit of a lower low now, and then we came back up, and hopefully we're getting that higher low, but we're still getting caught up. If we do start getting bullish, we could definitely possibly be seeing that butterfly scenario start to set up, and then seeing that lower price action down to 16,060, where we could possibly get some sideways action over time. If we're definitely in that accumulation phase of it, we could definitely see some movement back up over time, just some definite back and forth action, and some holding action if the 16,664. And in the long run, if we do get some serious dippy action, you know that I've been out here lurking for that 8 to 12,000 area, and I've been lurking like a hawk, waiting to strike at some low price action, because that's definitely going to be some really low price action. And how long is it going to stay at that price? It's been getting bought up quick on these tips here, and here we are back up over 17,000. And we're at what's the price? Yeah, 17,021. So, could definitely get exciting, especially if, because people are still buying in. There's a lot of people trying to sell out, and then there's a lot of people buying in at the same time. So we're slowly creeping up to the upside, and it's only a matter of before really start trying to make a move at it. But that's it's speculation all the way around. We definitely get to see what the market's going to be doing. So there's a lot of fear in the market, and I'm definitely out here taking advantage of that. Definitely getting that low price action. Whereas if I was buying these tops up here, and then here we are at the bottoms here, that would just be horrible. So that's what I'm here for. Really trying to prevent everybody from buying those tops, getting shredded in the market. Like everybody that's out there, it just sounds. I see the tweets. I see all those. Everybody's upset, lost money. But you definitely got to do some research and figure out where you're buying in at, what you're buying in at, and are we going to start getting some dippy action? So that way, you could just possibly wait around and get some lower price action, because the answers are there. You just gotta figure it out for yourself. So, and there's a lot of us out here that trying to help you out. But you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So keep an eye on that price action. Keep an eye on that 16,664. If we lose that price action, definitely could possibly see some moving back down to some lower price action, 16,131, possibly this 15,707. If we do start getting some bullish action, definitely got to get over that 17,223, make our moves up towards that 17,477, start working up towards that 18,926. Definitely got to get over that 18,265 area to start making some movement up to the upside. So definitely excited to see where we're going with this price market, with the price in BTC in the months to come, going into this new year, getting into that December area holiday season. So keep an eye on that price action. We're gonna keep the videos coming. For those of you that are new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. And you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions in the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So you always have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good day. Mr. Big Braids is signing out.